Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we're joining our Samsung Galaxy expert to fix this Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. So let's get to it. So we have another A series Galaxy smartphone here in the shop, and it looks like it has been stabbed once on this part of the screen. As you can see, you can still use the smartphone, but it's not anymore safe because you can cut yourself, your finger, if you're not careful, and it can get worse over time. So the only solution for this one is to replace the entire display. As you can see, David is making it look easy. He's going to remove the back cover. The back cover on this A42 is made up of plastic, so it's easier to remove apparently because there's no risk of breaking. You just bend it and it will come back in its original form. We're going to unscrew the first layer that we can see here. We have a lot of screws. So you can also see the battery. You can just see it, but you can't access the connectors. So that's why we have unscrewed them. Remove this SIM card tray with one SIM card. You can also put an SD card there. And pry off the back side covers. Back and side covers. There. So all the components are attached to at the back of the display itself. So this is your budget Samsung Galaxy layout or construction to save cost. You also have a plastic housing, plastic back cover, but the main structure comes from the display itself. As you can see here, we're gonna remove the main board, and behind the display you have like aluminum cutouts where we can transfer all the components that we're going to remove from the old display. So this is an exact replacement. Also gonna clean off some dirt on the connectors there, which can affect the performance later on. We're also going to remove this main daughter board. Daughter board is typically smaller board located at the bottom, you know, for charging, for audio jack, and the Galaxy A series still has some audio 3.5 jacks, which is nice if we can put them on the S series. Or see, I guess that's wishful thinking at this point. We have removed the battery, so we have all the parts that we need now, just to make sure that the battery can stick to the new housing or new display. I'm gonna put some double-sided tape on it. Gonna put some sensors. Also gonna clean off some dirt on the front camera. David is very attentive to details. So if you choose us, if you choose to go with Sydney CBD Repair Center, you will definitely get great value for your money, because David here will do everything to make the job right. Do it right or don't do it at all. We're gonna reinstall the daughter board. It's just gonna slot them in, and as what I've said, there's some cutouts already behind the display, so it's just a reverse process. Also gonna cover it up, but we're still gonna reinstall the main connector, the main flex cable. You can see the name there. It's gonna bridge the communication between the main board and the daughter board, and we're gonna cover it up, make sure everything lines up, and that's it. Just gonna put back all the screws, perform some testing and see if all the buttons, cameras, charging signals are all working. But so far, I can't see any reason why it won't boot up just normally. So if you have any problems with your Galaxy A series, if you're hesitant to have it fixed, maybe because you're afraid that some repair center can just rip you off, or you're not keen on just fixing your smartphone and just buy something brand new, and maybe you're right. But here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we believe that if your smartphone can still be fixed, we should fix it. Save some money and save the environment from unnecessary waste. And of course, you'll be happy to own something that you have saved from the bin. It's much more fulfilling, I think, or at least for me. I hope that's the same with you. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope it inspired you to fix your existing devices rather than buying new. And as always, take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, speaking fast? I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious.